The capabilities of Devtodev blur the boundaries in data analysis.
Any information that the analytics platform collects is always available to you, be it basic or custom events.
Each analyst probably knows SQL syntax, which means that they can easily get any necessary data about the project.
Let's see how the report works. It is located at the space level in the Reports section. On the left, we see the structure of the space, applications and a list of events in the form of tables. The data structure is described in more detail in the documentation. As an example, let's run the query already written here.
As you can see, it uses standard SQL language functions.
Their description you can also find in the documentation. We got a preview of the result. You can download the full query result here by clicking the Export to CSV button.
Here you can apply conditional formatting to the query result. Let's go to the next tab to build a graph based on the results of this query. First, let's choose the type of chart we want to build. It can be a line chart, a pie chart, an area chart, or anything else.
Let's choose column chart.
Now we need to choose which columns from the result will be displayed on the axes.
On the x-axis, we will leave the days, on the y-axis, we will select the number of payments. The chart will be built automatically.
Let's save the report, and then we can add it to the dashboard so that any team member can easily and quickly access it. Thus, it will not be difficult for you to build your custom report if there are not enough ready-made dashboards, or you want to carefully analyze a particular promotion, or you need to dig very deep into the data to understand the reason for the metric change.
You can also create another kind of widget in SQL Report.
This is a number format that occupies one cell on the dashboard and allows you to keep the KPI of the project at hand.
To create such a widget, the query result must contain only one row. We need to select the number we want to display in the widget, and then save it to the dashboard. In this widget, you can display not only a number, but also text.
For example, the most popular item purchased in the last 30 days. This means you can display the most important information on the dashboard to help your team with monitoring, data mining, release evaluation and more. Another option that is available in the Devtodev SQL report is the ability to create user segments from the results of queries. To do this, you need to output a list of user IDs as a query result.
And then create a segment. This is a static segment that new users won't get into. Afterwards, it can be applied through the filter option to any report.
Now you know that using the Devtodev SQL report, you can get almost any data about the project.
Try it yourself.